This is a song about a very minor character from Rick and Morty. Are you serious? Here we go. On a distant planet populated by another race lives a six-pod cat who might slap you in the face. He's Gazorpazorp Field and he wants his enchiladas. Vitriolic rage, well you know he's got a lot of insults that he hurls while John reads the paper. And just like Morty Jr., no destruction's in his nature. Half cat, half Gazorpian, and he don't like you either. Smack you in the head with the telephone receiver. Spitting racial epithets, spilling coffee on the table. A dark and sick reality since Rick hooked up the cable. It's Garfield minus Garfield plus a little Scorsese. While Morty's in his room with the robot making babies. On the matriarchal planet, all the women call the shots. And Lorenzo music's still alive, involved in every plot. Clang Venkman in the cartoon like Bill Murray in the movie. Rick Sanchez making conversation and it's mad confusing. He's Gazorpazorp, Gazorpazorp Field, Gazorpazorp, Gazorpazorp Field, Gazorpazorp, Gazorpazorp Field, Gazorpazorp, Gazorpazorp Field. He's Gazorpazorp, Gazorpazorp Field, Gazorpazorp, Gazorpazorp Field, Gazorpazorp, Gazorpazorp Field, Gazorpazorp. John, this is not a joke. Gazorpazorp Field, you've been a very bad cat. Putting normal in the oven, throwing Odie in the vat. A boring stew, I thought you knew the power of the flame. Why did you have to immolate your friends? You're so insane. Well, Summer's been a bummer, shooting steroids, fighting demons. And Scroopy Nooper still protecting Pluto for a reason. And pizza-eating people always gotta stuff their face. Showing zero prejudice, enjoying every race. Yum. Alternate realities, I know we've seen a few. Parents staying single, Snuffles in the robot soup. Rick and Morty mutilated, buried in the yard. Logically impossible like Soren Kierkegaard. He might say it's absurd, word I don't even know. Raising flu awareness every song and never shows. So call me MC Haps, I'm a virus-hating rapper. Hoping Morty loves me, he's been looking very dapper. He's Gazorpazorp, Gazorpazorp Field, Gazorpazorp, Gazorpazorp Field, Gazorpazorp, Gazorpazorp Field, Gazorpazorp, Gazorpazorp Field. He's Gazorpazorp, my Gazorpazorp Field, Gazorpazorp, my Gazorpazorp Field, Gazorpazorp, my Gazorpazorp Field, Gazorpazorp, my. This is not a joke.
They call me Gazorpazorp Field. I've got an oddly improvisational feel, to be real. From a planet where males grow up to kill. John reads from his paper, but your boy keeps it real. Hit it with a you're a dumb, weak, stupid idiot. Throw a little white guild in for the fun of it. Gazorpazorp feels is a line and I'm crossing it. Unlike ants in my eyes, Johnson, you are feeling it. I'm Gazorpazorp, it's not rude if it's honest. Yo, and honestly, John's a milk toast piece of garbage, and you better prep my enchiladas with the garnish. Best believe, better leave all the cheese that was promised. Each and every weekday, stream to your monitors. Rating so high that it stops the thermometers. Driving my sports car, dodge the photographers. Up next, a new episode of Ball Fondlers.
He's Gazorpazorp, Gazorpazorp Field, Gazorpazorp, Gazorpazorp Field, Gazorpazorp, Gazorpazorp Field, Gazorpazorp, Gazorpazorp Field. He's Gazorpazorp, my Gazorpazorp Field, Gazorpazorp, my Gazorpazorp Field, Gazorpazorp, my Gazorpazorp Field, Gazorpazorp, my. This is not a joke. Where's my enchiladas? Where's my enchiladas? Where's my enchiladas, John? This is not a joke. Where's my enchiladas? Where's my enchiladas? Where's my enchiladas, John? This is not a joke. Where's my enchiladas? Where's my enchiladas? Where's my enchiladas, John? This is not a joke. Where's my enchiladas? Where's my enchiladas? Where's my enchiladas, John? This is not a joke.
Now that in my dirty 30s, I'm extra worthy. That's the Cliff Note version if you haven't heard me. Older, so I'm wiser, mostly from stupid decisions and what I think about them. They made my brain tired. I learned to respect us and not care about them. No one responds, it doesn't mean you share loud. Cold emotions does not make you a better man. Listen to your feelings, the best thing you ever can. For your life, your wife, your partner. Life's difficult, no need to make it harder. While I'm on the topic, I'll clarify. You can call me whatever, it's all smooth sailing like it's mirror time. Other people don't assume that they're a guy or girl and start blaring. Hi, dude, we should all start caring by. You're not really ready for the way I be, boy. Keep it bouncing while I hold my ground, I rock steady. First comes sage, then wisdom, got it. Second, third, profit. Take a look in the mirror and tell yourself, today I'm loving you. First comes sage, then wisdom, got it. Second, third, profit. Take a look in the mirror and tell yourself, today I'm loving you. My profile says I'm into freelance osmography. Means it's my life goal to see topography of a world in its entirety and meet people of all different varieties. Celebrate the differences, that's what makes us beautiful. Lend a helping hand, doesn't matter who you pull. I want to make the world a better place. So every day I wake up, I put on a better face. Learn to not feel guilt about having a better life. My parents struggle so that I can have a better right. I've learned that I will never find a better wife. You would think so too if you ever met her, right? I've learned to stop being tough and hit the doctor up if I'm feeling rough. Now we getting up, I learned my music hobby. It isn't wasting time, you only get one life, so I ain't wasting mine. First comes sage, then wisdom, got it. Second, third, profit. Take a look in the mirror and tell yourself, today I'm loving you. First comes sage, then wisdom, got it. Second, third, profit. Take a look in the mirror and tell yourself, today I'm loving you. So I wrote this song during the first 10,000 feet on a plane trip to Seattle for work. I had just messaged with Too Mellow about how I loved the skit on his album, and he said people had told him that, and it made him feel more comfortable with just being himself more on albums. So while I sat here trying to figure out what to do after they said, please turn off your phone to airplane mode, I opened my iMachine app and played with the only packages that were downloaded. Now, since I'm old enough to have disposable income and stuff, I upgraded from an iPhone X to an XS Max for no reason, and now none of the packages I bought were on my phone. So I hit play on this pre-made package and decided to write a couple of lines, which turned into a couple of verses. And who knows, this could have been 3 verses if the package didn't just come on.
I was knackered earlier.
10,000 feet.
Yeah, it's pretty quiet in the group these days. Everyone's just making lots of money. I see. I'm pissed about the FTMO. So I'm down about 4% right now, but I should have just stuck with one trade. One of those trades would have passed me 4 times, basically. But you know, it is what it is. That's the problem with like the high risk to reward trades. Like my hit rate is not that great, maybe like 40%, but I just need that one, you know. Let's see.
Yo, how's it going, stream? Got some new features that we will see as we go. Camera changed too. Oh, okay, cool. Changed my camera settings for my just like recording videos for YouTube, and I guess it changed everywhere. Cool.
Are you trading gold mode these days?
I'm dabbling a little bit.
Yeah,
Just
gold mode better, like before Tokyo Open. Seems
Yeah,
to
it
be.
looks good right at Tokyo Open, I think.
Yeah.
Most days. I mean, here, like, it just kind of trended early, so that's cool. Yeah, it looks like right at 19, which is Tokyo Open, where we see some nice stuff.
Yeah, it does move a lot better than other currency pairs, anyways.
Yeah, especially right now. I mean, GJ, meh, very meh.
Yeah, right now I'd probably trade Aussie NZD if I was to trade Aussie USD.
We'll see what gold does. Got some bangers on here today.
A good idea to track of the dollar currency index. Do you ever look at that?
At the what?
The DXY, the dollar currency index?
Nah.
Because it should do the opposite of gold. Technically, but
Yeah, but if it starts going up and gold starts going down, then it's like it's happening as it's happening. It just like an indicator, I guess.
yeah.
A little lagging behind, but I know people who use it and it works fine, so I'm sure it's fine. Got Rufus, Meekin, Christian, Marv, Jay, yo. Waiting for Tokyo Open to see if gold is gonna do anything. See if it's gonna give us any opportunity tonight. Be back in 10? Alright, bro. Sounds good. Ooh, Henry's got a chart.
So I didn't label that because I thought it was going to happen quick. But let's see if we make this 1 to 15.
Is that 15 pips up there?
Something like that.
And then you take a buy on this one here.
No, I didn't take it in the end.
Oh.
We will see.
DJ. Yuck. Got a little 30 minutes, something going on up here. And then maybe a little something up here if we can get there. We'll see. Otherwise, we're just kind of stuck in this little area. It's gotta do something. 15 looks worse. Hourly looks decent. 4 hour. Currently all coming down. I think our momentum is going to be to the downside for this daily candle. But yeah, we should tap into here. See a little bit of a top wick. Maybe up into this area, kind of where we got that 30-minute. 4 hour, yeah, makes sense. Probably get up to here, somewhere in here. We got support, support, support. We get a resistance over here. Kind of making supports up here. So yeah, in this general vicinity, a little higher than this box, I think makes sense. Yeah, kind of lines up in there. We'll see what happens. 30. Yeah. What's the HP in the bottom left? So the HP, it was a little confusing, but basically whenever someone subscribes or donates or does a super sticker or anything like that, they take my health down, and then whoever does the most for the stream, I think like liking it does stuff too, maybe commenting, then they become the boss, and then you guys kind of battle for it. But at the start of the stream, I'm the boss, and then you guys can take it over, and then kind of your name will sit up there as long as you're the boss. Sounded cool. I mean, we'll see how it goes. If it doesn't do anything, maybe I'll get rid of it. But I think it looks and could be a cool idea for more interaction. So we'll see. Appreciate it, TJ. Glad we're helping. Glad what we're doing is helping. I'm good today, Huncho. Much better than last week. That's for sure. Yeah, we'll see. I mean, I thought it sounded dope. Maybe it's silly. I don't know. Find out. But I think whenever someone subscribes or comments or donates or anything like that, it'll start to do something, I guess. We'll see. I've never had it on, so we'll see how it goes. What up, Eddie? How's it going? What up, Sad? What up? What up? Really love to see gold do. I think gold will give a nice move after to open, like hourly, like yesterday, right? Kind of ranging, broke down, caught some buys from the bottom, back up here, maybe brought it up to the top or in, and we created another lower low. So ideally, move up for a lower high, and then come back down. And I got a 4 hour daily target down in, run through that big, got daily support down here. Come and tap there, unless we just close bullish and we never really break that low. We got some 4 hour stuff here as well as daily. I would expect support in for us to not really get too much deeper than under these bodies. Then we kind of go test the high. If we make a support, that is. Otherwise, if we get under here, then it just fall back down to the low. But I'd ideally expect support somewhere in this area to form on 1 hour to 4 hour, and then eventually they push us back high. But I think really strong here on the week. So that. If we get resistance, we should ideally. Looks like we're coming down to the low down here. That'd make sense for the week. End up down here. Kind of stuck right under where we got daily resistance again. 4 hour. Got some 4 hour support here. See what happens down in this area. And then we're just stuck in this 1 hour range. So we'll see if we break up, make a resistance, or if we break up, maybe we catch some move up if we get some good looking candles. Otherwise, support down here. We kind of pushed down and then pushed up and then came back, made a lower high. That'd be a good entry right there. But we gotta get out of here first, so we'll see. I think once we get closer to Tokyo Open, that'll be much better. I have an idea.
I think we're gonna push down before we push up.
I guess we'll see, Henry. I guess we'll see. What up, Pips? How's it going, bro? Raphael, hello. Not a guru, just a dude. Trade, YouTube. That's it. My audio's up and down all the time. Could be because I move away from the mic. Let me make it a little louder here. I guess, yeah, it's pretty quiet. Hello. Yo. Hello. Alright, I think that should work. That should be better. Hello. Okay. Yeah, that's kind of peaking where I want it to peak. Alright. Hopefully that's good. Yeah, I moved my mic. So my mic is now... The mic is now on my right. Instead of coming down like the center right here, I moved it to the right, and it's a lot more convenient. But I gotta get used to moving towards it to chat, I guess. That should be better though. Whoa. UJ looks like we're trying to create some support here, but we also got some support down here as well. So we definitely need to see something under here for a potential move down, but then again, that would just be the start of it. You'd have to wait for it to come back. Then looking up, got hourly resistance there. Potential resistance to form right there. Maybe push down and get into here. If we get resistance there, see what happens. Yeah, it just doesn't look super clear yet. 30 minutes. Yeah, no, that looks yikes. That looks really ugly. I don't like that at all. Oh, we got a chart. Hi, Huncho. I got you. Oh, it removed your chart. Send another one. We'll pull that up. I don't like you. UJ just looks god awful. DC don't look terrible. Resistance. Come down to the low again. Get resistance, we should get down to the low again. What happens up here and then up here as well. Get those lines. EJ ranging. Yeah. Hourly might be sending us up, but still just kind of hasn't gone anywhere yet. Going to update it. Yeah, it actually deleted it, so you gotta resend it. Gotta get used to this mic. AU still bearish, kind of at a little bit of a support in this area here. Okay, held there, kind of held over here. Made a low, I'd say if we get a lower high, kind of near here. Let's check out the hourly. Yeah, maybe a little lower. Right in here, get resistance up there. We got the 30. Yeah, I think if we push up nice and we get resistance there, then we should fall back down to the low here. That would make sense. What up, Noise? How's it going, bro? And then AJ. AJ looks same. Everything's ranging right now. Definitely no trade yet. GJ, same thing. Hourly doesn't look bad. 30-minute. Meh. Very meh. I mean, maybe if you caught some buys once support was formed, if your spread got low enough quick enough, kind of push back up to resistance, but once that volume comes in the next hourly Tokyo Open, then we should see some better direction. And hourly, yeah, just kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going into 6 hours, no movement. I think it's best we just wait. What happened? I think if gold can get above here, we could have a nice move up this candle here. See what happens.
Projects should follow this path. First you got to find, then you got measure, then you analyze, then you improve, and then you got to control your process.
EU should drop to the next zone. Okay. Hopefully that plays out for you.
Make sure you understand. Go smarter, pull out your project charter. Keep your scope in check, no time to be a martyr. Side clock, why not? Put one line of sight to your customers. Cyclops, translate for your boy with the VOC. It's the OG, it's better than saying he told me. First get your mind straight, approach it like a blind date. Get to know the problem a little before you try. Hey, form a team, you can call that. All I wanna know is where your squad at. Line, don't attack, do what you win.
Yeah, Huncho, you want to send that chart again? We'll pull that up. Check that out for you. News. Let's check out the news. Forex Factory. We got AUD 630 yellow folder. It'll be a pretty chill night for news then. Unless we get anyone tweeting, that might do a little something. Otherwise, it'll be pretty chill for most pairs tonight. Might jump spread a little bit. Might jump spread a little bit. Shouldn't be anything too significant though. Alright, what up Hayden? How's it going, bro? Yeah, I last week I was pretty much going all week. I was sick last week, so I wasn't really I don't think I streamed. I might have streamed once last week, otherwise I was sick all week. So there was no streams last week from me. But good now, so we should be solid for the week. Got that holiday out the way yesterday. Huncho will get started up. DJ. Looking for a retest there to sell daily support. I like it. Yeah. Yeah, and then we could target down here at the daily support. Oh yeah, sell to daily support. Perfect. Yep. That makes sense. Kind of a little bit of an uptrend here. We broke it. Could retest maybe here or here. Wherever we get resistance, I think will be solid. And then we should start coming down. I like it. And you're going to be the first one to get one of the new features added. And since it was a good chart, we had some solid explanation. Could have been a little better, but I think it was overall pretty straightforward. It was damn good. What up, Foy? How's it going? I am feeling much better. Thank you for asking. David, I actually don't use either of those. I use MT4. I still got MT4. Works fine. No complaints. Four minutes till Tokyo Open. 4 hour. Got some support down here. Still ranging. Okay, if we respect here, we close under here. We should fall down to here. Maybe push to here, but I'd rather wait for that initial push and then catch what comes after. Excuse me. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. You saw my Instagram story. You know that I know that you know that I know that I've been slacking on these streams. So on the internet, you gotta do it, I guess. But streams should be back every day, unless I'm sick or dead or my internet doesn't work. And one of those might have a good possibility. Hopefully not.
Yeah, how's it going, Paul?
Good, brother. How are you?
I'm doing well.
Killing it still?
Am I in it? What's going on?
Are you killing it still?
Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah, man. I caught some cells. I caught those cells this morning.
On GJ or gold?
on GBP USD.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
he's had clean traffic. GJ didn't have clean traffic, so decided to hop on there and get some sales.
Nice.
Yep,
And
and that's not it. It's been 8 weeks now. It's been 2 months since I've been profitable, so I'm thinking about doing a funding account challenge, man.
I think you're ready, bro. That sounds like you are ready.
Yeah, I'm feeling confident. So, yeah, I don't know. I'm trying to determine which company to go with right now, either Funding Talent or the 5%ers. I don't know. I'm not really liking FTMO. I don't like. I'm not feeling them too much.
5%ers. What's that?
Yeah, it's like it's a proprietary firm, like the other ones.
I've never heard of them. They're pretty good. They all kind of got the same stuff, right? What up, Cam? How's it going, brother?
Yeah, it seems
Hope you're
sort of
doing.
stuff, but
Hope you're doing well. I'm doing good now. It's what? Sorry, what were you saying, Dorian?
yeah, same sort of stuff. Yeah, same sort of stuff. So you like
Profit splits and stuff, percentages.
yeah, profit splits. You try and hit a target, and then if you hit that target, then they give you the account, and then you have like a max loss. And yeah, so the different, so yeah, you get to start the profit splits. I mean, they start immediately after you pass the challenge, which is different from like Funding Talent, where profit splits don't start until you actually like they deposit money into your live account. So that's what it's appealing. That's why it's appealing to me.
What is it? What's it called again?
It's called the 5%ers. So it's like just type in the 5 ERS. The number 5. Yeah, like the number 5. I think you gotta type in the actual number. Yeah, the 5%ers. So like yeah, you should be able to find it. Yeah, that should be fine. Okay, here, try this. That's not it. Type in the, and then the number 5, and then ERS, and it should come up. Yeah, it should bring it up. The second one right there. Yeah. And then yeah, scroll down, and it should show you all the accounts that they offer. So here are the so there are the accounts right there. And so the one I'm scroll down a little bit more, there's actually some more accounts that they offer. So I'm thinking about doing this one right down here in the bottom right hand corner.
This one?
Yeah, I'm thinking about doing that one right there. So it's like 8% drawdown, and max 8% drawdown to pass the evaluation account. So it's kind of like, it's like the demo account.
Yep.
Or it's like the demo account, except so instead of like it being a $21,000 demo account, it's a $7,000 live account, and the max loss is whatever, $560 on there, which is 8%, and then the target is 980 of 7,000, which is like I know it's like 12%, I think. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking about doing. I think I'm gonna sign up for that one. I'm not sure what the double growth for 25% means.
Is there a challenge you gotta pass?
I think that is.
Yeah, you have 6 months to reach that profit target, which is $980.
Oh.
They give you 6 months, which is
Oh.
more than enough time.
Oh
Yeah, and then the max loss is 560, and then Yeah, but once you pass that initial one with the $7,000 portfolio account, then they'll give you the $21,000 live, real money.
They give you the account, or you just get the login like the other ones?
But yeah, they
Like the normal ones, like you get the login to it, right?
well, yeah, you log into it, and it's they pretty much you log into it. Yeah, exactly.
Gotcha. Yeah, they don't just like PayPal you 21,000.
Yeah, no, I don't think so.
Okay, I got you.
Yeah, I have a question though. I don't know. You might know it. So see how it says double growth for 10% down there? Yeah, like what does that mean? I'm not sure what that means.
I have no idea.
If you scroll all the way down a little bit further, so it explains like the growth for each of the accounts. Maybe a little bit further. Keep going. I think it's keep going. Maybe a little bit more.
Double the funded trading account size every 10%. So every time you make 10%, it doubles the account size.
Oh, that's what it means. Okay.
Yep.
All right.
The thing I got about it is the lot size. Like for 40,000, if you're trading half a lot, I guess it's okay.
Yeah. So then this 80 would be 160 then, right?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, if you double it, if you
make 10%.
Yeah, if you make 10%. So I would have to make.
Then you get a 2 lot.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, think. Yeah, I don't know. So, for my strategy, I've just been like, I don't need like really big lot sizes, so I've just been trading like. I've been making $80 a day trading like 10-cent lots, stuff like that. So it's been working for me.
Nothing wrong with that, bro.
Yeah.
You've been winning for 2 months straight. I mean, it's just gonna keep growing. So.
Absolutely.
Oh, that's still done nothing. Wow. I don't think anything's done anything. Funding talent. Yeah, I think they're all pretty interesting. They're all pretty cool. I only checked out one so far, and they've been good. Maybe in the future we'll check out the other ones to see how they're, so we can get some opinions. Nope, that was Dorian. Harrison's not here yet. He might be coming. I don't know. I don't know what he's doing. I think FTMO's good, but I mean, just go do the challenge yourself and you can make your own opinion on it. That's definitely the best way to figure that out, and you can figure it out with like $100. Get the 10K account. That's what I did. Just spent $100. I either wasted it or it was legit. So far, so good. So I would say just spend $100 and find out for yourself. But nothing's moving yet. Tokyo Open should bring the volume. Alright, just chill till then. What up, TV? How's it going, bro? Yeah, I'm on. Check them out. See what's up. Thank you, fam. Appreciate it. Appreciate the sub. Looks like my health has been kicked down a little bit. Look at that. So that's what it does. Cool. Watch this real quick. See if it actually kicked it down. That'd be pretty. That's gonna be pretty dope. Oh yeah, look at that. Minus 50. So yeah, I think if we get 10 more subs, 10 or 12, that would, yeah, we would need 9 more subs, I believe. And that would kick me out of a stream boss. Okay. Interesting. Cool, cool, cool. The lowest spreads, the best I've seen and used personally is LMFX on their zero account. It's pretty solid. But I haven't checked everything out. I've used LMFX, Hugo's Way. Hugo's Way was okay. I didn't like their spreads during the Asian session, especially on GJ. It was pretty high. It was like 2 or 3, sometimes 3 or 4, and that's just too high for what I do, what I like to do. Other than that, I haven't really ventured out anywhere else. So everything else I looked at, I think I looked at Eagle FX or Eagle something, and what else was there? The IG, I think IG, that was one broker. The spreads were kind of high for the Asian session.
I see markets is very decent.
I see markets is pretty good. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, I didn't check them out. I did check them out. They wouldn't let me make an account because I had a US driver's license.
I think Europeans only.
Yeah, I tried signing up and they're like, nah, we're good, buddy.
Yeah, GJ right now is 1 pick.
Gotcha. What up, Ace? How's it going, man? Welcome, welcome. Thank you, Rev. Appreciate the sub. Damn, that thing is so dope.
Probably killing it with the thumbnails.
Yeah, bro, they are fire. Fire.
Very clickbaity, I like it.
I don't know what you're talking about. Yo, bro, you should have seen my other thumbnail that I had. It was between that thumbnail and the other one I posted. Oh my god, bro, it was so clickbaity. I felt nasty trying to click. I was like, nah, I can't pick this, bro. I just felt dirty trying to pick it.
But if you look at like your previous one compared to the new ones, like your previous one looks like they made them paint.
Hey, bro, I made those previous ones, bro.
Exactly. Get a professional to do it.
Yeah, I finally did. He's pretty solid, bro. He's real good. But yeah, no, the other one I made, like, so Andy bought this money gun for the stream, which we'll use eventually when he comes back. And Lauren walked in and she's like, "Oh, is that a money gun?" And I was like, "Yeah, I'm like, should we do a picture with it for the thumbnail?" And she just picked it up and shot it around the entire office, right? Huge mess. So then I sat down in my chair and took a picture with it everywhere. And then she cleaned it up. And then that was the picture with like the other stuff to the right, to the left. I don't remember which way. And then when he sent it back to me, I was like, oh, wow, I feel kind of douchey picking this one. So I went with the basic one where I was just like looking super intently at my chart. That's what I was focusing real hard.
Hands on the chin.
Yeah, yeah. I definitely wasn't looking at a blank screen, that's for sure.
Looking at cards.
I was intently learning during my photo shoot. What up, John? How's it going, bro? I'm doing good. Hope you're doing good as well. What up, Key Dog? How's it going, brother? Which requires more volume, pullbacks or breakouts? I don't know. I don't know if that is a thing. I don't know about it. It's probably bad, but the volume is gonna revolve around the sessions coming in. Sometimes like pre-NY has decent volume, good enough volume to trade. Then we know it's 7 Central. We get NY volume that kind of gives a little bit of pump into the market. Typically that candle, the candles typically leading into, like the hourly leading into like a London session or a NY session or a NYSE session, or sometimes an Asian session if it moves in Asian. It's kind of opposite of where we're going usually. It just does like a little pullback and then volume comes in. So it's like that hour before the volume comes in, price kind of like winds up, pulls back, and then continues whichever direction it was going. So I would say the question, what was the question? I lost the question. Pullbacks or breakouts. I think that is going to be also relevant to the volume coming in. So like if we break out here now and we kind of push up really, if let's say it takes like 3 hourly candles to get up this one candle, or even 4, and then our next candle up here, that 4th one, the next one is our volume open for like a London, and we come down in 1 candle, I would then say like, yeah, the pullback kind of was weak, and then we made resistance, made a lower high, and we continued with the structure, but volume also came in at that time. So I would say it would more so depend on when the volume comes in, would be my opinion. But I've never actually been asked that question, so I'm not sure. I think whenever the session starts and there is volume in the market after the session open, that's good. That's what you need to be aware of. Breakouts, pullbacks, I mean, whichever one you trade, just study that a little bit more. But I don't know if one of them has or requires more volume. I would say to do a pullback against the trend, you probably need good volume. Otherwise, it's not going to pull back very well. But if it's pulling back, it's probably not pulling back super strong. Like you see how we got these candles coming down, and then we're pulling back, and they're just not super strong like these ones were. And then we got these 2 candles that came down. Like this one candle collapsed this entire 5 hours of price. So I don't know if any of that made sense, but hopefully you get what I'm trying to say. Like it's going to depend on your volume, because this is where our volume came in over here. We kind of dwindled our way up, but still like a solid trade from the bottom. But then these are our candles coming down, so they're a little bit stronger in terms of size, which would mean a little more volume, I guess. So, but I mean, we probably need good volume to do this. And again, we need volume to do this too, but then it's going to depend on your sessions as well. I would say don't overthink it, honestly. I'm pretty confused now after rambling about it, so I would say just don't overthink that. Trade around the sessions when they open, when they start, right throughout the session, 2-3 hours into the session, and then we call it a day. And then just trade the same consistent strategy and journal your damn trades, okay? Is EU long now? Well, Max? That's not damn good. That is not damn good. Not at all. I pressed the wrong button. Ah, there it is. So Max, this is the right button. Thank God, now I forgot. Nah, bro. Nah. What's the best time to trade silver? I don't know. I've never traded silver. Maybe ask Ted or Rakil. They might know. They might have dabbled in it. Iron Man might know. I've never traded it, so I have no idea, and I will not be telling you any advice on that. But yeah, maybe Ted, Rakil, Iron Man. Who else do I know that might have traded that? I don't know, man. Maybe just browse Instagram or YouTube, see if you can find someone who traded silver. I'm sure you can. Maybe Q Banks knows, or what's the other guy? Bossing up with Druzy, something like that. I think that's his Instagram. I don't even know. But maybe they've traded it. I've never traded it, so I don't know. Oh, Rabbi, I've seen your chart 4 times and I've missed it every time. I got you, bro. Yeah, Chris, send that chart. Christian, send that chart in. We'll check it out. Whatever you sent before did not come in, so can't check it out. How much spread do I have in gold right now? I think it is 2.4, 2.9. What I'm looking at right now. Well, not terrible, not great, you know. It's gold though. 2.9 pips ain't nothing with gold. Alright, Robbie, we'll get this chart up before I forget again. Oh, look at this analysis. Alright, so number one. Structure on the 4-hour time frame looks like a bearish flag. I don't know what that means exactly, but I'm assuming we got support, we got some support. Maybe looks like you think we're gonna break here. Okay, gold ranging, taking a break after the strong downtrend. Yes. Expecting gold to go down, waiting for a clear setup to short. Okay, yeah, obviously a break of trend line is what it looks like. Maybe a retest back at that area. Price doesn't break structure, go bullish to the top of the channel again. Yep, exactly. So this area is going to be where we either break, and then you wait for the low to get created here. Don't just take it on the break. Wait for the low to get created and then pull back, make a lower high, and then you can at least take it to the low, and then maybe leave a runner for a little deeper move. Otherwise, if we stay and we hold, maybe throw your stops underneath. Take it up a little bit. Looks like you got clean traffic here on the 4-hour too. So if you're going to do it, make sure, if you're going to take this from here on the 4-hour, stops under everything at support, all the wicks. And then maybe get up, retrace this candle, and then leave a runner to continue. Solid. Damn good, brother. Where have I been? I was sick last week. I apologize. I missed every day last week. Yesterday was USD holiday. I didn't expect any movement, and I was way off because gold moved beautiful. But last week I was sick, so I was MIA. I'm back, so we are good. You can't send a link, Christian, so you actually gotta send. You gotta copy the letters. I'll show you how to do it real quick. Go to your camera on the top right, take a snapshot, and you're gonna click save image, right? And then you're gonna copy those letters and numbers in between those two parentheses at the end and send those letters only. And then we can pull up your chart for you. But there's a catch. Since I went through all that effort to show you how to do it, this better be a properly labeled chart. Well, we're just gonna skip past it. Why isn't EU long on the 4-hour? What up, Edgar? How's it going, bro? Yep, back strong, healthy for now. Hopefully we can stay healthy. Get these streams kicking some butt. I'm really hoping we can get enough subs to kick down my health and get someone else up there, because I want to see what happens. I think we need, so every little dot is 2 new subscribers. So what is that? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Yeah. So we need 18 subs, and then for donations or super stickers, whatever that means, and then somebody else's name goes in that little box, and then they're the boss till somebody takes them out. Maybe I'll lower the numbers for the next one. Alright, so I changed it. So now I think it's every new sub is 150, so it's 3 times as much. So we'll hit this much easier. Yeah, so like we should be like 7 or 8 subs. We'll take that out, and then we'll see what happens on that. Yep, no worries, Christian. Max. So, if you want an opinion on a chart, especially one that's not in session, you gotta send a chart. So, mark up your chart. I just showed you guys how to send the chart, and then send the chart. I think I show people how to do this like 10 times every stream. So, if you're not paying attention to that, man, these charts are gonna eat you up. Is my focus just on gold? Nope. Gold and GJ is all I will be looking at. Gold moves better in Asian session as of now, till GJ's back to doing its thing. So, we'll see. Gold has to move for us to get a move, but if we move, we might get a move. We'll see what happens. Super stickers aren't available. No worries. No worries. It's just any interaction knocks it down, I believe. I think it's subs. I don't know if a like or dislike does anything. Comment maybe. Super stickers, donations, subs. Stuff like that knocks it down. There we go. There we go, Christian. This better be a properly labeled, beautiful chart. Alright, we're gonna let it go this time, but I think we need a little more than one explanation with a buy and a sell chart. So, you entered here. Why? I can't see your... Can I move this? Okay, yeah. So I can't see what your letters are doing over here. Maybe put them in the middle up here. That might be a little better. Oh, look at, there we go. Now we took down some numbers. Cool. So yeah, move those words over here. Why are we entering here? We're kind of stuck at resistance. We had one weak bullish close. I don't think that validated a buy yet. Kind of weak. Looks like it's rejecting up to the top at that, maybe your 38 level is what it's rejecting. And then how do you know? Why would you just hold the drawdown all the way to here? You know what I mean? Like, it broke your bullish candle. It didn't form support. It formed resistance. It's moving down. Why not just get out, minimize the loss, and look to re-enter when there's a better support that's confirmed? You know what I mean? I think that might be a better, a better idea. Because then instead of holding this drawdown, then, oh shoot, I got wicked out, and then your idea plays out. Get out now, you can lose, like, if this is, let's say, 1%, you can get out at like 0.15, 0.1% loss. So that would be much better than taking that loss and then re-entering, and then you got to get a full 1% back. So that's what I would do, because that support was not confirmed. You need a better candle than that, in my opinion. But that's what I would say, is I would just look to minimize this and then re-enter if or once there is a better support confirmed, to then push your idea forward. But if these words over here say that you didn't enter yet, then we need to get those over here so we can see that. Otherwise I just babbled for no reason. What up, Garsh? What up, Paul? That's a great name, bro. Wow, that is a great name. No worries, Max. No worries. So what you gotta do, I'll go over for you since you're new. Click on the camera, click save image, and then copy those letters up there, and then send those letters, and we can check it out for you. You want to make sure your chart is properly labeled with what you're looking for, some zones, where you're looking to enter, why you're looking to enter, why your stop loss is where it is, kind of your target idea, stuff like that is what you need to throw on the chart. Yep. Appreciate you coming in, Christian, and bringing a chart. Like I said, it's your chart, your trade, your money. But what I would do is if I could take a 0.1% loss when I risked 1% and then just jump right back in, you can make that back so much easier than trying to hold it all the way to your stop. Be managing it a little better.
Oh my god, I never thought I'd ever.
Haley mentioned in his speech he doesn't see the British economy getting any stronger right now. Okay. Interesting. Good to know. Last video tutorial. Yeah. Thanks, Edgar. I tried to have some fun, but also be serious and have some value in there. But not be boring, you know what I'm saying? Gotta be entertaining. Make it fun to watch. I mean, charts aren't really fun to watch. You just look at, like, lines and colors. It's like we're in preschool, just like watching colors change. It's just guess the direction kind of thing. So try to be entertaining, and gonna be doing like 2 or 3 videos a week. I'm gonna try and keep them entertaining and informational and worth your while. T-Dog, yeah, we'll get that chart up in a sec, brother. Yep, appreciate it, Christian. I said the better you mark up your chart and journal it, the better that's gonna do you. The better everyone in the stream will be able to learn from it as well. So, yeah, appreciate it. Glad you're here with us. Alright, Key, we'll get this chart up for you. Combines a bit of Waldorf and a bit of Montessori, and the rooftop playground has an urban petting zoo with recycled wood chips and a Manhattan view. Because her Greenpoint sublet had to go. Bedford got too crowded and she'd seen enough shows, so she married a designer. Alright, expecting Asian to push up to the next zone. Looks like you got your stop under support. Okay, solid. I like that. There could be a chance you get wicked out, because it could wick into. It could wick into these wicks and then reject from here and then go up. But I do like you do have it underneath your support, which is created right there. Entry kind of looks like you might have bought the high. It did close above the range. Yes, I agree 100%. But Asian has low volume, so we closed above resistance. It needs volume to stay above and continue up to your target. Just look to manage it while you can. I think the idea is solid, just maybe not for this session. But I think the idea is correct.
Did you hear Jessica had an elective
one
girl?
thing.
It's like she doesn't even care about the health of her newborn. How basic. No more TV on the radio.
Oh, it looks like we went up. Oh, you can't see. Oh, let me change the color. Alright, so we came up. We came down. Now we came up. So you see where you bought. You bought right there. So now looking at this, I would expect this. We form support. Once it tells us we made support, we go up to whatever high is created, or we push up to that clean traffic, kind of your target. So to me, it just looks like you bought up here. So I was saying with you getting wicked out is on that pullback. Because for it to just continue, we're going to need some volume. To not pull back, make support, and continue up, we're going to need some volume. So I was just saying you might want to be careful because it might pull back into this support. Let me clear this up for you. It might pull back into this support here. Create support somewhere here again. And then go test whatever high it is creating. So if it pushes up to here and then comes back, that's where I would be looking to get in, is on that pullback to then go up to the high again. Because now you bought at the high it has created, and it might not go higher, or it's going to push a little higher, and then that'll be the high, and then it'll pull back and then return to the high. I would just make sure you manage that really well. Asian open could definitely just push us to that area. Yes, just be mindful of right now it is kind of creating the high. It looks like so. And I got a little box here. And now we're breaking out. And then ideally we should return back to the box, form support, and push our high we made. Maybe get a little higher on that clean traffic. Hopefully that helps. Great analysis. Got yourself a damn good chart. What up, Kishan? How's it going? What up, Rafai? Rafai? I feel like I butcher your name every time, but welcome, welcome. Got a small Zoom session today, so we can. You guys got charts or questions? We got a small group today. We can get into it. Gold, nothing yet. Just chilling.
Oh, yeah, off topic.
DJ chilling. Yo, what is up?
Off topic, but
Yes.
phase sensor.
Yes.
Dude, I used to freaking watch him like years ago, man, like 2015, 2016. I used to watch him play Call of Duty, man, like all the time on YouTube, and I noticed you tagged him the other day.
Yeah, that's actually when I used to play competitive as well. Back
Wait,
in
really?
2016, 2015.
Oh, is that how you know him?
I mean, I know him because I like played against him. I never played with him, but I know who he is. Yeah,
Oh, damn.
I like met him in
Mhm.
person at tournaments. But you
You
ever
should play
did you ever hear Twisted Method
Twisted Method.
in Black Ops 2?
No, it doesn't sound familiar.
Oh, you ever heard of
That was
You know Miracles? I'm from Puerto Rico.
Yeah. Yeah, I think, yeah, I've heard Miracles before.
Before Rico, he was on Twisted Method.
Oh,
Yeah, they were like BO2, like gods. Like Karma, you know Karma.
yo, yeah.
Yeah,
Everyone knows Karma.
yeah. Yeah, no, I still watch all those guys.
Dude, you still watch all of them?
Yeah, I watch Scump, Karma.
Oh, yeah.
Um,
He's fucking goat, man.
yeah, he's gonna be hit. Yeah, he's getting old, but I mean, he's still the man. Thank you for the sub, Lucas. Appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. You guys are knocking my health down. Someone's gonna be taking over in the next 1 or 2 subs. This health bar is pretty dope. I don't know if it's corny or what, but I think it's pretty dope. Yeah, Dorian, I still watch all those guys. I get when I get up at like 2, I'll put like Symphony on because he gets up and this dude grinds on his stream from like 4 a.m. to like 5 p.m. every single day. I want to do that.
Holy cow.
I want to do that, but nobody want like I can't just have a chart up for that long. You know what I mean? But I want to be doing that.
Holy cow.
But
That's like
he's a
that's
monster.
like 13 hours.
Yeah, bro, he's a monster. Yeah,
Damn.
yeah. And so like yeah, when I'm working in the morning, group stuff, trading, whatever, chilling, I just got like Symphony or Huskers or some of those guys up. Nick Merckx, he's pretty funny.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Yeah, oh, Merckx.
Nick Merckx.
Yeah, Merckx. That's his gamer tag, right?
Yeah, Nick.
Yeah.
No, that's Merck. That's I can't remember his name, but he's.
Oh, it's a different guy?
Yeah, Merck is the guy from like Optic and Envy from back in the day.
Oh. Yeah, Optic. Yeah, that's the guy I was talking
Yeah,
about.
Optic Merc JD or something like that.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's him. You know, they're pretty inspiring. I've got a bunch of new stream ideas from watching them for the past month or 2, and I try to build a community like that because that's just incredible.
Yeah.
Uh,
Definitely.
About 2 years, Ibrahim. A little over 2 years now. You know, it's wild, bro. It's so cool. Can I look at AERI? I don't know. At Airy? I don't know if I'm supposed to know what that is, but I don't. So I'm gonna say no. Yep, no worries, Key. Hopefully it's helping. Sending the charts, getting some feedback, whether it be good or bad. Hopefully it's helping you on what to do or what not to do. As long as you do one of those two things, that's all that matters. Soon, Chong, it will be up soon. I think in a week or two. Gurjat and I will get that out. But it will be up. Episode 2 will be out soon. You're not convinced of your own consistency yet? For me, honestly, once I started journaling consistently, it took off like crazy. And then I stopped journaling for whatever stupid ass reason I wanted to do that. And I went from like 85, 90% to like 70, 75%. So I would say journal, bro. Start journaling consistently, and you're gonna, within a week, you will see a drastic change. 100%. EURUSD creating a bull flag. Fib opportunity. Awesome. Awesome. Is GU selling? I don't know, Marv. What does your chart say? The chart look like it's selling or buying or ranging. Do I journal trades that I missed out on? Nope, just trades that I took, win or lose. Lost, why'd you lose? Won, how could you have won better? Kind of stuff. Yep, yeah, soon. Just keep journaling, bro. I'm telling you, the journaling is like, I'm seeing it now. Like the past month or two, I've been like really lacking on consistency in like everything. Getting up on time, streaming, which I posted earlier, journaling. Oh my god, I didn't journal anything, and everything just kept like slowly declining. And then I was like why? What frick is happening? I was like, oh, I stopped doing the stuff that got me to where I was. So, word from the wise: don't stop doing the little things, because that is very, very important. And it's funny because I knew that, like I knew this, but I was like, nah, bro, I'm trading at like 90%, 95% sometimes. I don't need to journal. And then like I stopped journaling for a week, and then I went down to like 90, 85, and then like 80, 85. So, I'm telling you, once you start journaling and you start to make progress, and you start to reach profitable days, profitable weeks, months, don't stop doing the stuff that got you there. You love the gifts. I got 2 more gifts, John. I haven't brought them out yet, but I got 2 more gifts. I'm hoping I don't get copyrighted. I don't think I will, because it's part of Streamlabs thing, so I'm thinking it's okay. But I got 2 more gifts, and I think they're pretty funny. I'm gonna kind of add different ones and change them up each week. Besides the ones of like when people come on and they're like, sell this. What is this doing? And they don't, they those silly questions, like the Kevin Hart, like come on, we gotta keep him. We can't get rid of him. But well, I think I can add up to 6. Yeah, I can add 6. I think I can add 6. So we'll have 6. We still got 2 more. When we journal trades, what do we write on them? So you're gonna write where you entered, and you're not gonna write that. You're actually just so I have a video on this, but we'll run through it quick. The placement of this is important because you know which candle you entered on and at which point you entered on. So if we entered on this candle right here, we place it right there, so we see the middle of it is our entry right on the candle, and then see how it's covering. See how it only covers half of this candle? That tells us we entered on this candle. So if in 6 months we're testing and looking at our journal, which we should be, at the end of every week, every month, check out your journal, see what's going on. We know on this trade, this is where we entered, and we're not trying to figure out, okay, where did I enter? Did I enter here or here? Okay, if I entered here, why did I put my stop loss here versus here? So placement is important for when you look back at it in the future, you know what you were doing. Because if I place this like this, and I just do this randomly, and I come back in a month or 2, I guarantee will not know that I entered right here. Maybe my stop should have been here from my testing. Once it broke here, this and this was just extra loss that didn't need to be taken, kind of stuff. So that's really important to know as well. And then you want to journal why you entered, where you did, maybe throw on, okay, I entered here. Higher time frames are bullish. This is a strong support. 4-hour support should hold. Stop underneath everything at support. And we're going to buy the support and take it up. All right, that's good. That's enough. What you write on it is going to be more preference. So if you notice you are learning really good from your chart and you have an essay, 10-page essay on your chart, and that's working for you, and you enjoy reading through every single thing, perfect. That works. If you're like me and you put entry, stop loss, higher high, higher low, target here, and that works for you, perfect. That works too. I think it's just the consistency of doing it every day, win or lose, is what's really important. What you write on it is more so up to you. Yep, you can take a picture on your trading view and copy it into your journal. Yes, you can. That is exactly what I do. If you don't know how to do that, go on the YouTube channel. There is a video that walks you through everything from what I just went over, the placement of your thing, your long short chart, all the way to labeling it and creating a Trello account and putting your charts and organizing it in your Trello. So go check that out. Do I think we're going to have any volume? I don't know, Nixter. I hope so. I hope we do. Thank you, Joshua. Appreciate the sub. Thanks, brother. I think one more sub, somebody else takes over. Then we'll get to see somebody else be the boss till they get taken out. Yeah, we'll see what happens. We got 3 minutes till open. Volume. Time's kind of flying by right now. Nice.
Yeah, one talking point after the other.
Yeah, we've been on a roll today. It was normally pretty chill. Nobody else is in here with me. Yeah, Traders Evolved, I'm looking for higher lows and lower highs. I don't like breakouts. They always kind of F me. Or I kind of just haven't figured it out, but I just don't like it. I don't like breakouts. Never really works out for me. I like to trade structure. And I really like structure on the 15-minute. Oh, that's kind of my bread and butter is 15-minute structure. Gold, I'm typically only looking at the 1 hour. But I'm still in testing, perfecting mode on gold. But we got 2 minutes. We'll see if we get some volume. Hopefully we do. I think we will. It just might take a minute or 2. GJ, yep. GJ still nothing yet. The gold is trying to move a little bit. Alright, Edgar, we'll check this out for you, brother. Alright, you didn't label it, but I know exactly what you're looking for. Because that's exactly what I am looking for. Basically, you want price to come up, create a high, break out of this range, come back, form support there, and then take it up to there. Exactly. Exactly. What up, Mr. Gersh? How's it going, Gersh? Where you at, bro? Leaving us here hanging dry, bro. I think I just said bro like 7 times, and I'm not okay with it. I just realized as I said it for like the 5th time in a row, I was like, wow, you're kind of a douche. Like, chill out, bro.
Yeah, what the heck?
Leaving us here hanging dry, bro. On the far left. Yeah, I think we could get resistance up here to come back down. 100%. I think resistance here or here, somewhere in this vicinity, is where I would expect a resistance to be created to then come down. But we need to go up to that area with clean traffic then. I can't play the guessing game with you. You gotta send a chart. I'm not gonna scroll and try and guess where you're talking about. Just mark it up, send it, we'll pull it up. Yeah, gold hasn't gone anywhere yet. We're gonna wait for it to go somewhere. Or if it goes nowhere, we don't do anything. We wait. If you like the stream, if you're new to the stream, press that like button, press the subscribe button. And yeah, we're here every Monday through Friday. Nope, I lied. Monday through Thursday. Starts at 5:30 Central Time. Yeah, be sure to like, subscribe if you're not already. Calvin, hello, hello. What up? What are the blue and gray lines? I'm assuming you're talking about these. So these are my sessions. So these blue lines is my Asian session when I'm at the chart. Actually a little longer, typically till about here. I get off and stop. Gold, it kind of depends what we're doing, to be honest. But this gray one, gray, brown, I don't even know what color that is. It's supposed to be white, but black background, it comes out gray. That's my New York session, and then that's my Asian session. So when I'm scrolling back through the charts, I know not to look at this or this because I'm not on the chart. I'm only looking at these highlighted regions. So so I'm back testing during the session where the volume is. Then I get to back test the proper time. That's all. Streaming for a whole month? Yeah, Gerza, I've been slacking on damn near everything, it seems. And I figured if I post it on Instagram, someone will call me on my shit if I try to slack again. So that's kind of my intention. Just because I'm sure I'm going to have a moment where I'm like, I'll just skip today. And then someone's going to message me. I'll be like, you know what? You're right. You're being a bitch. And then the stream will be up. So that's kind of my approach with it. Gotta support each other. Gold's trying to push down, but I don't know if we're gonna have volume to push through that support there. But then if we do, we run into another very good support, and if we get through that, we got another good support. And we got kind of a shit show down here, to be honest with you. Really don't like it. So if we're coming down, oh my gosh. If we're coming down, we need to break out wherever we go and create a low and come back, make a lower high wherever we do that, and then we can take a sell. That's what I would like to see. Yeah, it was a little adjustment mentally to get used to. A lot of eyes on you at once, a lot of judgment, and still just a lot to just not care what other people think. Yeah, I mean, if this first 15 minutes doesn't really go anywhere, it might be kind of a dead session. But there has been numerous times where our 4-hour close, we get some nice volume for about an hour. So from 8 to 9 p.m. Central Time, we typically will see some decent volume if we didn't get it at open, which just happened 5 minutes ago. So on this start of the hourly candle, did GJ do anything? No. Okay. So yeah, we'll see what happens. If this hourly doesn't go anywhere, I think the next hourly will give us something, and we'll go from there. Right above. Okay, yep, I got you. I'll pull that up. How long have I been trading for on the live stream? I think about 6 months, 7. No, I think it's 6 or 7 months on the live stream. And then in total, a little over 2 years now. 8 brings volume. Yep. Yeah, right around there, profits. Oh. Yeah, right around there brings some volume. Alright, traders, evolve. I'll pull this up. Yeah, Gershot, well, we don't trade what we think, bro. We'll trade what we see. I would look more so at this and this personally. Just me though. Because I would say this resistance here. So like the way I look at the zones is the more recent. So this area here is kind of our broad zone. But as price moves, the zone kind of moves. So right now, this zone is here, where this zone over here at this point was right here. At this point, our zone was here, which kind of lines up over here. And then we had kind of a support under here, which sort of lines up that resistance over there a little bit lower. And we got this support here, which kind of lines up with this one over there. So I would say with this clean candle coming down, our next area is potentially there or there, personally, because this candle coming down kind of wiped out what's to the left, and then we created this resistance right here for a reason, because there's resistance there from going up. If we get above there, we should push up. That's how I like to look at it. But that's what I would say to that. Chuck, it was about when was it? About like month 11-ish. 10, 11, 12, I don't remember exactly. Still nothing there. Am I trading London? Possibly. It might be. I don't know yet. We'll see. I gotta sleep at some point, but I don't know when I'm gonna do that yet. So that's the issue I'm trying to figure out is, do I sleep into London and then get up and only get like 4 hours of sleep, 5 hours of sleep? Or do I stay up all night and then sleep midday, but then kind of ruin my day? So I don't really know. Tony, we're still waiting, bro. We are still waiting. Price has not gone anywhere yet, so we need to see something first. No 4-hour rule. Just structure. So I'm pretty much looking at the most recent support or resistance being respected or not, and then looking for highs or lows to be created. And then whatever the trend would be of that. Not of the day, but of where that session is going right now. So let's say like this morning, if GJ broke above a 15 or 30 minute resistance and then kind of pushed past it and then pulled back to it, I would say, okay, we're making higher highs. And then we made support, we got a higher low, we should push back up. Higher high, higher low means we're going bullish trending right now. Could be bearish on the daily, the weekly. Doesn't mean we're not going to get a little bullish rally on the 15 minute for 10, 20, 30, 40 pips. So that's kind of how I look at it, is higher lows, higher highs, or lower lows, lower highs on the 15 to 30 minute. And then with whatever the trend is. So if we're making lower lows, lower highs, I'm not taking buys until we make a higher high above a previous higher low, kind of thing. I think one more sub and somebody takes over. We're at 300, yep. Maybe two more. I think it's two more. Two more subs and somebody takes over the boss. Yeah, I like structure really, really well. It's super, it's very high probability trading, in my opinion. And trading, obviously. Definitely been the best ever of what I've done and tried over a little over 2 years. Nope, Tony. No trades dropped for the second time. No trades have dropped tonight. I don't know if you had your volume down, but nothing yet. Kwang, does gold and silver move in unison? I don't know. I don't even know what the silver symbol is. Maybe it's just silver? I've never traded silver, so I have no idea. A lot of people asking about silver lately. Like, what is... Am I missing something? Yep, no worries, Tony. Gotcha. You're welcome. Silver's slower. Yeah, okay.
Through Toontown, these Looney Tunes companies can't stop that havoc, that independence with suspense.
I feel like we've had some banger songs on tonight. I don't know why.
For the haters, never need no tactics. Who frame Roger Rabbit, throwing lyrics out like javelin, spazzing. Animated individuals rubbing their head, pitiful, saluting A1 generals. Whatever matters, competition, imposition, opposition, contract for contract. I'm more that, just fall back. Characters, no scavengers, they cartoons in art rooms. Artist, I'm a star in this. Top notch, just check your watch. Live quick, I spit quick. Animation reality, destroy the town, they mad at me. Independent like wheel spinning. Water machine, time machine, melt down, they head down.
Oh, thank you, Ron Kirby. Appreciate the subscription, my friend. One more sub and someone takes over. Who's gonna be the boss of the stream so they get taken out? What are the most volatile pairs trade in Forex for people in the Eastern time zone. If I'm understanding correctly, I'm gonna say gold is pretty good. DJ is good when it moves. It gotta let it move first. Sometimes it doesn't, so be careful. I would say gold is probably your best bet, but typically if gold moves good, DJ probably moves pretty decent. Otherwise, I would say check out AUD pairs for the Asian session. They're probably the best pairs for the Asian session. To be honest. You unsubbed and resubbed. Appreciate it, bro. I want to see what happens when somebody takes over the boss. So, like, just subscribe so we can get this little thing tested. Then you can unsubscribe and leave and never come back. Just so we can see what happens. No, don't do that. But you can definitely subscribe. Oh, we have been taken over. David Espinoza is the new boss. Thank you, David. I appreciate you, my man. Now I get to see what happens. That's so cool. That's the coolest corny thing I've ever seen. I love it.
Soon where Toontown once stood will be a string of fast food restaurants with Bible verses confusingly printed on cheeseburger wrappers and soda cups. Guitar retailers
Uh-oh.
with wonderful
David is the boss.
as far as the eye can see.
Now, I don't think I can do anything. I think it's just...
Check out the
I wonder if I comment if it does anything.
$200. What a bargain.
Nope, it does not. Okay. Well, I think when you guys sub and donate and super sticker, it knocks that stuff out. It'll knock David out.
Hello?
Man, who is this?
The
Oh yeah.
man, the myth, the legend. I'm joking. What up? I was gonna say, I was just watching gold. Looks like it's kind of setting up on the 15-minute. So if this, technically the idea is, 1 second, let me get the additional. The wick was bigger than the body, and this I love this thing where it has no top wick on the body. I love this. Take an entry once it closed. Right here, if someone even gets in now, is the better entry. Take entry once it closed. Stops can either be below the wick, but if you feel like you want to give it more room, kind of under this little support zone down here, below all the wicks for the safest stop loss. And then target can be, if you scroll up, the next sort of zone, I would say the older zone, yeah, right here.
I think it's just stuck in this range right now.
Yeah, or if it might do that.
Gotta get out of here first, I think.
What is this new boss thing that I see?
It's a stream boss, so anytime someone subscribes or donates or does a super sticker or any of those three, I don't know if there's another option, but it knocks the health bar down, and then somebody gets to be the boss of the stream, pretty much. So they get taken out.
See if it knocks it down. I want to see if it knocks the health bar down right now. Oh, how much is it? How many kills or subs?
I think 7 or 8. The 7 or 8 changes it.
So he's there for the entire time, even if no one gets it for today.
Yep. Yeah. If nobody takes David out, then he is the stream boss at the end of the stream.
Jeez, I want to be a stream boss.
I think eventually, if it gets rolling well, we'll who's ever the boss at the end of the stream gets to come on Zoom the next day or something like that.
Well, that's a cool idea.
Yeah. Yeah, let's do that. Let's enact that right now. Who's ever boss at the end of the stream,
You come on the Zoom call the next time.
comes on Zoom call the next day.
You just have to show up and remind Paul, like they would DM you.
Yeah, just DM me on Instagram. Whoever the boss is at the end.
Make sure they're not lying. Make sure they send a screenshot of their YouTube channel or whatever.
Damn, Karina. Killing it. Damn, you know what's definitely not fake? Is that profile picture. Definitely you. 100%. Bye-bye, sweetie. Mom's probably out in the hallway like, sweetie. Interesting. Calm down, woman.
Let's see what happens with gold here.
Yeah, I'm interested to see if we move.
Yeah, I'm in a micro lot just to get the minimum days up, so I just put it in to see.
Gotcha. What up, Andy? How's it going, brother?
What up, Andy?
Hey, what's going on, guys?
Welcome, sir. Thank you, John. Appreciate you staying on top of that for me. Thank you.
Just to get the minimum days off, so I just put it. Let's go gold, break this resistance and run.
What do you want to run back to? 1912, 1913?
Gold 19.
2020, baby. 2020.
2020. Hey, we called gold 2020 back in like July. Come on.
Calling it again. Right now.
Nice.
Right now. I just got that feeling.
Yeah, see, 1910 on my MT4 looks pretty good.
Yeah, I agree.
19,
I
yeah.
got 1912.
Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, duh. You're right there. All right.
Yes, sir. Let's see. Foy, what do I reckon CAD JPY buys? I reckon that I think you should send a chart. I think you've been here long enough to know that. I don't have CAD JPY, or I would just quick pull it up for you. But send a
We
chart.
need more of that word use in our vocabulary day in, day out. That's what I'm going to say.
You're gonna what?
I reckon we need the word reckon in our daily life more. That's what I'm saying.
I really like that word, to be honest.
Good word, man.
I never use it, but I reckon I like it. Honestly.
I reckon you should.
It sounds like I'm trolling, but I'm not. I actually really.
No, it's a good word.
I feel so intelligent saying it. Like, oh, you reckon, eh? Okay, cool. Yeah. Like if someone said that to me, I'd be like, damn, they went to Harvard for sure. Like, easily, like 200 IQ person right here that I'm talking to. Easy. What up, Titan? How's it going?
What's GG and the other peers doing? I haven't looked at them in a while.
GJ is trying to do the rocket ship candle on the 1 hour, it looks like.
30-minute.
EJ got clobbered today.
Ooh, 30-minute looking good too.
Yeah, I mean, it's looking meh good. You know what I mean? It's not looking good, but it's not looking not good yet. I don't know. I'd like to see gold close above and just move up.
GG and I was gonna say GG and gold, are they? Do they move the same in Asian session?
Opposite.
Opposite. Oh, opposite. Okay.
One of them's lying to us.
Yes. So let's see.
Possibly both.
I wouldn't disagree.
Yeah.
No, I'm not saying that to troll. I'm saying that because gold isn't held to the same just two currencies that GJ is. So, I mean, the gold has a lot more stuff weighing in on it.
Yeah.
They could both be going sideways.
Yeah.
Thank you, Foy. I appreciate it.
I think the next hour and a half will tell us exactly, like until 9:30.
Entry on break, 15-minute high support, built around 4-hour level. Stop under your support. I like it. I think it's possible. You got a little bit of an issue right here, but it looks like here we're trying to break some structure. You might get a little push up. The stop should be safe under the support. I think it looks good.
I'm taking the US 30 buy right now.
Jeez.
Damn, boy.
Can I see US 30?
Thank you for the sub, Morticia.
55 pips.
Appreciate
Already?
the sub.
Or is it the target?
40, 25. No, it's just all over, but it's already up.
Can you pull up US 30?
Andy,
I'm looking for.
Alexa's talking to you.
I'm sorry?
Alexa was talking to you.
Yeah, it's the front door. My kids are outside playing. They keep coming in and out of the house.
Yes,
Yeah,
Kwon,
I'm looking for it
we
to
have.
claw back.
I'll be back.
Yeah, GJ was a monster this morning. Came down pretty nice. I mean, looking at the 15, we could have had an entry on resistance here, entry on here, entry on here, or the best entry would have been here or here, and then GJ to the floor. And now we're ranging. As we can see, we're not moving yet. So a waiting game still. Gold, nothing yet. I think our 4-hour close will give us good information in terms of direction, hopefully. And then we can plan a trade, maybe get a trade before we get off. Got another hour, so hopefully we can get something. Yeah, Kwang, I would try it out, bro. It's pretty solid. I said if you're questioning it, you're unsure, just do the 10K account. $100, something like that, 125, something like, I don't remember exactly, but it's around there. If you don't get paid, you lost $100. So I would say just go to the cheapest one they got, try it out, and just go find out for yourself. Honestly, that's gonna be the best way to do it. Come on, gold. Let's do something. What is going on? Do we got news coming up that I'm not aware of? That I didn't check yet. No, that shouldn't block us today. No, we should be straight. Should be good to rock and roll.
Well,
Henry got in another trade here. Stop loss under support on the 1 minute on GJ to break up to the top.
if GJ does a 1 hour rock ship close, I was gonna say a good idea. What do you say is when at the next hour, which is a 4-hour open, if it breaks a high.
I think if the 30-minute closes above this little minor resistance, that could work out, but I don't like breakouts, so.
Yeah, me too.
Yep. Yeah, okay, so there we go. We got Vernon in the chat too, who's also been paid. FTMO is legit. This thing is moving now.
Oh, I'm about to get mine soon. For my, I was gonna say payout. The invoice just sent and everything. I got my refund already. I just gotta get the rest wired to my account.
Nice.
Yeah, that's what everybody will know.
Nice, nice, nice.
Oh my god. Okay, I was just waiting for that. Yeah.
Just to let you know.
Yeah, though GJ today was just wild, bro. Like this was GJ. This is like, all right, you're buying, all right, cool.
What shoved it off a cliff today? I didn't see. I wasn't watching the market, so what happened?
It just dumped.
Slippery
did.
slope. Okay.
Everything did, yeah. I mean, I'm gonna play it again, but this was GJ. Everyone's like, all right, we got support. We're gonna go up, and then GJ's like, ha, and then it's like, ha. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. That's pretty much.
All right.
Yep. I wasn't looking at GJ, but I did see some sells that would have worked out beautifully, but I didn't take it, so it doesn't really matter.
Yeah,
but I did.
I wasn't even on that chart.
Yeah. It looks like GJ is trying to break out. Maybe. Remember, this is just one candle. Don't get crazy. Don't get crazy, guys. Gold. Meh, nothing. Literally, like, nothing. It's for sure going up or for sure going down. That's fact. But I think we gotta wait and figure out which way it's gonna go first. There was good news regarding the banks. Okay, good to know, good to know.
I was gonna say, I personally think gold's going up.
I do too.
If you look, yeah, because if you look at these like wicks, kind of getting higher and higher each time. And if you pretend you take an entry from down here and then you set stops, we'll say if you're playing extra safe, down below everything. I think it would be a good idea to continue up. If you scroll left, it's at isn't it near a major?
Yeah, we got 4 hour down here and daily down here, and then I mean if we look here like this, we got like low, higher low, higher low, maybe another higher low.
Yeah, so I think if someone places their stops under here, kind of safe to go up. Clean traffic to the left now.
Yeah, I think once we get above there, we'll be solid. Yeah, once we get above here, it'll be a nicer ride. Should be a smoother ride.
London probably. London or after the Forex close.
Yep. Alright, evolved. We'll get this up again. Line target. EU. Bull flag. Okay, that's what bull flag looks like. Interesting. That makes sense. I don't trade any of this, but that makes sense. Like you got support here. Goes in above resistance. You could target the high we created here. Kind of made a high. High or low. Should go back to the high. And ideally, if that's your target, the trend to then maybe bounce from, go bearish, and then maybe try to go bullish again, or we respect it, go bearish. That makes sense. Right, let's look at the hourly. Yeah, we still, damn, we have been watching nothing tonight. I'll be right back. Here's that, Andy, behave.
All right.
Andy, keep your garage door closed.
It's closed.
What did he say? Sorry.
Just me. I can show you how to be real and be free. Take it to Hollywood heaven, baby. If you really wanna party with me, grab me ass, girl, you know what it is, baby. Put my hands where your eyes can see. I can see you standing in the lights with me, with no ego. Me and you against the world, no for real. You.
Gurjat, I'm sorry if you already answered this question. What charts are you watching tonight? Gold and what else? Gold mainly. All right, sounds good.
It's a go, girl. Mean you can get away. You the home girl, but I'm trying to make you babe. Ain't even got a front, no, I ain't ashamed. I'ma keep it blunt like what I blaze. Elevate with your boy, baby, catch a wave.
So while I've been off stream, Gurjat, what else? I've been trading micro-lot US 30s as well, relatively successfully, mostly actually, unfortunately, surrounding news or tweets specifically. But there seems to be some pretty consistent flow during peak hours of NYSE, volume, and also direction that is pretty respected price structure. So I haven't said much about it on here just because I've been trying to sort it all out. But so far my win rate is about 60%, but I would prefer it more to be like 70 or 80, obviously.
All right, I'm back. What I missed?
I was just chatting about US 30 real quick.
GG, I was gonna say I tried trick. I was gonna say GG flew 300 pips. You would have been so salty if you missed that. We kind of stuck there. I mean, it's kind of stuck there, like how you're saying, though.
Yeah. So this hourly close like this. Buy that?
Yeah. That, like, if it doesn't create this top wick here, right? I'm already in the trade based on 15 minutes, but if the hourly, if it doesn't create the top wick there like that, I would 100% get in, and for the safest stops, I would do either below this wick or below these two. Yeah.
You don't want to buy it past 1894? Wait till it crosses?
No, I would buy it there based off the new strategy that I'm using.
Yeah, I understand. I mean, I get buying the bottom of it, but okay, all right.
Just because it's like, even if you're not looking at the strategies, if you're just looking at the the wicks, they're kind of coming up higher each time.
Yeah, I see you.
So that's a good indication also.
Yep. Yeah, I got you. I'm with you. I was just asking more out of curiosity, not questioning your strategy.
No.
I'll question you behind your back, like chumps do.
Like normal people do. Talk shit about me behind my back like a normal person.
Yeah, why you gotta say it to my face?
Yeah, you ass.
You already know, bro. Let's see what I'm up on my.
Yeah, Edgar.
I'm still not up on my gold. 28 cents down.
DJ 30 break. Da 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 da. I think it's solid. Kind of like the same thing we're looking for on gold.
Yep.
Inish, kinda.
Someone wants to watch GG. Why don't we watch GG for a bit? There you go.
Be careful, we got another resistance level up here.
What would the stops be? Like, how many pips is that to the bottom of the wick right there?
Yeah, only 10. Not bad.
Best bet only for the arrow.
Yep.
Because it's right here at these old kind of, I was gonna say wicks. Because then if the next hourly does close above everything and it's coming into this resistance, ideally I feel like if the next hour closes bullish and then the new one breaks the high, that'd be solid then. I'll be right back.
Just you wait. Step 3. They writhing and they dying. Watch me fly in a safe. The girl, come on, man, I'm trying. Step 4. Kill them off with no haste. Now I'm baffled. Wait, my princess is in another castle. Now since they got me running, got me looking. Figured I'd swing by code, see what they got cooking. Nuki suit, frog suit, and even have them quiet flowers. Secret agent 24 hours a day. Jack Bauer. Continue this, the goons, man.
Chart looks good, Edgar. I like it. Poking fun. Here's GJ. Yeah, I think this hourly close is gonna give us a lot of information. What's up, Brandon Lee? How's it going, bro? How's it going? How's it going? It is 5:30 Central Time. So that US or so whatever. Just if you Google Central Standard Time, you should be able to figure it out. If not, if you add 18 minutes to right now and you put us to that 4-hour close, 2, 8, 7, 6, 5. How long have we been live? So 2.5 hours ago, we would have been starting to go live. So 2.5 hours previous when this starts. Whatever time that is for you. AJ and AU long hit buy stop TP. Uh-oh. Hopefully your SL is in place and in a good spot. Nice job, Eddie. Very nice. Yeah, that would make sense. I think that's right. Because I know it's pretty late over there in the UK at this time. Gold is making a rocket ship. See if we can break out of here and get a buy up to the top. Be right back. 15 minutes and I think we'll have a trade. Close your damn garage door. Unbelievable. Did your mother teach you any manners, young man?
Were you raised in a barn?
You raised in a barn there, buddy?
Leave your door open.
Close the door when you take a number 2, or you leave it open. What are you guys doing over there? I'm gonna have to come down there and figure it out. Have some dinner, you know?
Isn't it snowing by you already?
Hey.
Not yet.
Don't bring that negativity into this stream.
Oh no, I'm asking. It's hot right now. It's like 99 today, dude.
Oh no, I'm telling you, don't bring that negativity over here.
I need some snow.
I hate the snow. I hate the cold and the snow in Wisconsin. I hate it all.
I know, but dude, man.
No, it's not snowing. It was like I don't know, like 65 here today. A little windy, a little breezy.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, it wasn't bad.
Dude, my air conditioning bill was $530 last month.
It was what?
$530 last month.
For your AC?
Yeah, electric bill.
Like my car payment.
To cool my house.
Yeah, that's definitely worth every penny, I bet.
When it's, hot like this, yeah.
Do I know if there's any way to change time on MT4? I do not. I've never changed mine, so I don't know. I typically use my phone for my time. Will he be
from
securing
GMT to local?
Yeah, I'm sure there is. I just have no idea because I've never done it.
Probably is. Oh my god.
Right. Put the kids on the phone right now.
I'm just gonna stay on mute. Hey, what I need to find is a mute button on that dumb thing.
No, you can just put your mic on and push to talk. 'Cause you're on Zoom, right?
Even better, yeah. No, I'm saying I need to just turn the mute on my little alarm thingy there.
Oh, yeah. I mean, you could just do push to talk too. It just go to your settings, and then it's in your advanced you can change your push to talk to the spacebar. Then you only talk when you're pushing the spacebar. It's pretty cool.
Yep.
That's always an option. What up,
I'm a fan.
Christopher? How's it going?
You guys taking a trade at all yet?
We might have a gold buy in 11 minutes.
Gold buy.
Yeah.
Ooh.
US 30, probably a little early. But it's all right. Okay.
US 30. Yeah, gold's got some really clean traffic, man. I was there when it dropped this morning, man. That thing wouldn't stop dropping. Dropped like 300 pips. Oh shit, man.
Yeah, I'm hoping we can get some buys.
Yeah, it's just been consolidating ever since then. Looks like it's loading up for some sort of move.
See you later, Henry. Have a good night. Be safe. If you get lost, just turn the light on. You'll find your way. Because if we close like this, we got the wick longer than the body. Put our stops under this wick here. Take a buy up this candle here. As long as our wick is longer than the body, we should be good to go up. You got the rocket ship on gold. Yeah, we got our rocket ship candle. Broke the lows, breaking the highs. As long as we close a wick longer than the body, I think we are going to go pop, pop, pop all the way up. And we can tag Iron Man in our win. It is his gold strategy. I do now. I do now.
I was gonna say, look at that 15-minute, man. We would have been up right now. Just this resistance left now. What
happens on the hourly?
Yeah. This is more confirmation on the hourly, stronger.
Yeah. So if this hourly closes like this under resistance, you still take it on this candle?
I would say yes. It is a slightly bit risky, but I would say yes due to the fact that it was coming down. So this whole moment, like here, one second, can you just draw real quick? So if it was coming down, right? My idea is like, okay, it came up, tapped the resistance again. So this is kind of like we'll say somewhat with strong resistance. So it technically, once you tapped off of this, it should have broken the support. But the fact that it didn't, each time it was coming at the support and creating these bigger wicks, I would say now that's paired with that and this strategy that we use, I think it's a stronger idea. It would go up anyway. You get what I mean? Like using like everything in with the strategy. Because one is the wicks are coming up higher.
Yep.
Two is the strategy, the liquidation or rejection. I don't know exactly what it is. I just all sorts of things, I would say. This is more rejection, I would say, and tapped with the fact that we have clean traffic and the fact that we failed, what was it, twice to break this support and come up higher each time. It's in a way also wedging itself in, so sooner or later it has to break. And to me, signs are pointing upward. Like if you go on the 15-minute now, see what the 15-minute looks like. Like if we were coming down and we had this rejection wick, right? 1 second. So we had this wick where it took the entry. If you're coming down, technically it was close enough to resistance where it should have filled the wick, right? Would you agree to that?
Yeah.
And the fact that it didn't, I think that's also like a good indication that okay, we're gonna continue heading up.
I don't disagree.
Let's see if
plus 4 hour might close bullish too.
Yeah. Let's see if probability is on our side.
What if it closes like this weak bearish? Is that still the same? Still good?
Yeah, for me, it doesn't matter if it's bullish or bearish because in the past it hasn't affected it that much. Like on an hourly compared to like if it's like on 15 minutes, 30 minutes, obviously it's that's not as strong. But like on an hourly, I don't think there's a big difference.
So it's 15-minute. You want it in your direction.
You don't have to be, but I'm saying it's more like on the 15 minutes, it's more probable to fill the wick compared to like an hourly. If it does a rejection, it's not. You get what I mean? Because hourly, it's 4 15-minute candles, well, 15 minutes, just 3 5-minute candles.
Yep, gotcha.
And I'm still testing and learning myself, figuring out what's the best thing ever. I'm not the master of this strategy all of a sudden now. I still lose.
I think if anything, maybe you put some buy stops above here and ride it up.
Yo, guys, I'm gonna head out, and I will post my results in Discord.
Hi, bro. Have a good night.
No.
And then if anyone's doing voice chat for pre-London or London Open, I might be up for that.
Okay, I might be up. I should be up.
Yeah, I know it's late for you guys, but it's still kind of early for me. So.
Yep, I should be up.
All right, I'll hop on if I'm still awake.
All right, bro.
Later.
See you later. Yeah, it should go out. Yeah, we'll see. It's going to depend how we react and what happens near this resistance. But if we get the candle formation, it should break to the upside. Plus, if we get a good 4-hour close, that should also be good confirmation as well. But that's kind of weak. We need to see a little stronger one. We could use the strategy on the 4-hour Gerzat coming down. Right?
Yeah, I've seen Iron Man use it on 4-hour a lot too.
Yeah, if we close a weekly or wick longer than the body, we could do that on there.
Yeah, he's done it on that too. That is the higher time frame is more successful than lower time frames.
Let's see what happens in 3 minutes.
Like when you pointed out the 4-hour, like I completely agree with you there. If someone doesn't want to take it the opposite way. Because like a 4-hour is a much stronger confirmation than a 15-minute.
Yeah, I think the buys make more sense to go up, but see what happens in 2 minutes. Max, so the gold strategy is the wick longer than the body. And ideally with the trend. Whichever way it's moving at that point in time. which at the moment is nowhere. But we'll see what happens in 2 minutes. We'll see, David. Yeah, we'll see.
Can you also flip back to the hourly real quick? This is why I also say like the hourly is a strong confirmation, because then you wait for the hourly close always,
Mm-hmm.
and then you can fully tell what the hourly count is going to look like. Well, if you wait for a 15-minute or 30-minute close, you never know truly what the hourly is going to look like at the end of the hour.
Dat boy, I miss you, bro. There go that boy, yeah, he used to be my homie. He doesn't come around these days, I'm feeling kind of lonely. Was it something that I
Yeah,
said?
a lot of the.
I don't get it. He spends his nights
So
unfortunate.
there's a lot of pairs that just look exactly the same with market structure. Like GU, GJ, gold, they look the same.
I guess the metamorphosis had to happen. The fans all needed you. On YouTube they be clapping. When they see you rolling up classic CGI. Proud of my little bro, just know I saw that light inside. You looked up to me back when we were tadpoles. But now you won't return my calls, I'm getting kinda sad, bro. You left the lily pad, I know you had to go. But it hurt you never visit and it hurt you never wrote. There go that boy, I hope you know. Your friends and family love you, it's time that you came home. There go that boy, you're always on.
What about that, Gerjat? Is that qualifies?
There go that boy, I hope you know. Your friends and family love you, it's time that you came home. There go that boy, you're always on the go. The lily pad is waiting, bring that unicycle home.
Look, I was just a tadpole, chilling in the lily pad. I was living really fast and I had to go and double up the cash flow. Traded up the unicycle for a Lambo. Now I'm riding with the team, money piling from the meme. Now I'm shining on the screen. I turn into a giant on the scene. No DDP, but check the diamonds in the ring. That boy bragging about the jewelry. Sorry if I'm flashy, but the fashion kinda new to me. I'm killing every other meme brutally, and truthfully, compassion for the fam ain't what it used to be. Look, Peppy taught me everything, like how to make it to the top of every Reddit page. I started from the swamp and now I'm hella paid. Just bought a new loft in the Everglades.
There go that boy, I hope you know. Your friends and family love you, it's time that you came home. There go that boy, you're always on the go. The lily pad is waiting, bring that unicycle home. There go that boy, I hope you know. Your friends and family love you, it's time that you came home. There go that boy, you're always on the go. The lily pad is waiting, bring that unicycle home. Guess you resented me when I got famous. Blowing up on Tumblr, the response was so insane. It always made you jealous every time you saw my face. On Nikki's Instagram, I saw you turn a greener shade. Hey, but I always wrote you back. I came home every Christmas on those fireflies we snacked. Sitting by the pond, you wouldn't even look my way. Just know that Pepe's here for you, that love will never change.
You used to be the biggest on the scene, and I was jealous you were living up the dream. And Pops never did enough for me, cause he got a little buzz just for sipping on his tea. I know we both really need improvement. We were so close back when we were 2 kids. Still got love, that's what the truth is. So I'ma pop up at the family reunion.
I took it on the 4-hour. We'll see what happens.
Your friends and family love you, it's time that you came home. There go that boy, you're always on the go. The lily pad is waiting, bring that unicycle home. There go that boy, I hope you know. Your friends and family love you, it's time that you came home. There go that boy, you're always on the go. The lily pad is waiting, bring that unicycle home.
So take this at your own risk. So we got the wick longer than the body. We got volume here, a little bit that we do have. So ideally, I think we should push down to this low here and maybe tap this support down here. Maybe we fall a little deeper to the daily support. We'll see. As long as resistance holds, if we can get under support, I think we should fill this wick here. Would give us a nice almost 2-to-1 risk to reward. See if that happens. Price is still price is ranging on the smaller time frame, so if you don't like it, don't take the trade. Yeah. Could be a little messy, could take a minute to get there, but strategy is pretty probable. 4-hour time frames are strong confirmation, so we'll see if we can continue the trend down and reach the low we created. Secure profit down here, go break even, and see if we get a runner down to that daily support. Garza, did you jump in it? Yes. So I did 0.75% risk instead of 1, so I did much lower risk. Girls, I'll be right back. Okay, gotcha. Yeah, no, I did much lower risk on this. Plus Asian, I only get 1 shot, and I did lower risk. So if we lose, that's it. We're done. Less risk. Normally, I'll do 1.5%. This was 0.75. And yeah, so once we get near this wick here, I'm gonna try and secure something. Just because it's Asian, if we can get to here, I'm not gonna try and take much more. Take what we can get. Yep, see you later, guys. Have a good one, bro. Yep, yeah, always less risk in Asian session. Yeah, my freaking internet always turns on and off on my browser and my MT4. It's so doesn't make any sense. Yep. Gold sell. If we break this 4-hour low, I think we should push that wick. We'll see. See you later, Foy. Have a good one. Looking to fill the wick to the left on GJ. Gotcha. Stop loss might be a little tight. I think maybe put it up a little higher. But I like the idea. See if gold can continue. Ideally now we should continue coming down. We broke the low of the previous 4 hour. So ideally I would expect us to keep moving if we're going to be coming down. Yep, we'll pull up charts in a minute. I don't like to do charts when I'm in a trade. I like to be attentive and responsive to it. Come on, go a little bit further. We can hit. Yeah, we can hit 500 bucks. I'll take that. Go down about 5 more pips or so. And then we'll leave a runner. So I'm gonna secure probably there, maybe a little sooner, and then leave a runner to continue. If we're gonna continue, we'll get break even on it. Coming along good, TJ. Coming along good. Have updates soon on everything. Have another episode 2 come out soon as well. Oh.
So you want to use the internet? Be nice.
Entry on gold was 4-hour candle closed with the wick longer than the body. Stops above the wicks, and we'll target this low here. Might get out a little earlier, just it doesn't move and cooperate super well. Take something over nothing.
It's never okay to post rumors or threats, to spread lies about your peers, or send harassing texts, impersonating people, sharing private information, photoshopping pictures to cause humiliation, cracking someone's password or hacking their account, stealing people's credit cards and charging large amounts.
Yep. Baby steps, TJ. Make a little progress every day. That's all you need to do. Yep, Evan, this is Clay's technique. Yes, I'm new to it. I have not perfected it yet, but giving it a go. Gurjot's having a really good success with it, so I figured I'm gonna try to learn a thing or two and figure out how to trade gold. But yeah, this is the strategy Iron Man is always talking about. He kind of taught Gurjot it the other day, and Gurjot was just annihilating gold, like taking candy from a baby. And I was like, bro, What are you doing? I need to get in on this. So, figured I'd try to learn a thing or two from the old man and hopefully get some good trades on gold. Yeah, this thing falls like 3 or 4 more pips. Excuse me. If it falls 3 or 4 more pips, I'm probably going to take something off the table, because I'll have hit a good profit number for Asian session. And stream's ending in 15 minutes anyway, so I'd like to secure something before we end. I'm gonna go eat a sandwich. So this thing can just fall a little bit more.
And anyone who disagreed with her, she unfriended. With every single click, she felt like a hero, till she woke up one day and her friend count was 0. Back in 04, there was a really mean blog.
Plus, we're kind of sitting at this 1 hour support, and I don't know how long I want to watch it tap it. You know what I mean? Either get something, get break even, and then it either pushes through, keeps going, or we don't have to worry about it. You know what I mean? I think that'd be pretty intelligent play. Plus, it's Asian session and we haven't had a ton of movement, so what's the strategy called? I don't know what the name of it is, but it's just the wick is longer than the body is essentially what it is. And we did it on a 4 hour, so it should be pretty solid confirmation. So then the idea is pretty much the wick's longer than the body here, so there's rejection, so we should be moving down. I believe is the idea if I'm doing it right. Come on, gold. A little bit more. Come on. A little bit more. Come on. Come on. I heard if you yell at it, it moves better. I don't know. I'm gonna take my word for it. I'm just doing what I was told. Doing what I heard, not what I was told. Come on, gold. Alright, I secured 85%. I went break even. Let's see if gold can run. Mine is risk free now, so. And I secured 85%. Once we hit my $500 target, I closed 85%, and I'm gonna leave this runner to here, and we'll see what happens. If this works out, be sure to like and subscribe. Oh, here we go, baby. Yeah. Be sure to shoot a message over to Clay. Tell him he caught a dub with his strategy, and tell him to enjoy his vacation. And say thank you. We're all just learning here together, trying to get better. And from what I've heard and what Gurjat's done, the strategy he does is pretty solid. We do it a little differently. I know his stop loss is different than how Gurjat and I do it. Gurjat and I like it like right here. He might have just did a different sort of risk calculation and been able to not run one until he hit a certain mental spot, and then he would close manually. But I like to have a set one, so that's a little different in terms of what he does to what we're doing. But you got to take it and make it your own. So if you're going to take anything, the idea is the wick is longer than the body on the hourly time frame or the 4 hour. Hourly should be the lowest you go for it. And then maybe add that into like a confluence or something you just kind of look at to like just get like extra confidence in a trade or something like that. But I'm gonna hold my runner to here. I still think gold is bullish on the higher time frames, but we might get a lucky runner down to here. Ideally, we should tap this 4 hour support, but you know, sometimes Asian session just plummets out of nowhere, so I'm gonna just set my TP here just in case that happens. Get a few extra pips, but Profit secured, risk free.
Yo,
See what happens.
right now. About to cover from A to Z. How I really get down. I'm talking about getting silly, getting wild. Happens everywhere, coast to coast. Yeah, I'm talking about that con life. Yeah, I got a delicate.
Yep, hopefully you guys caught some tips. I guess yelling at your trade increases, it makes it go quicker. So if anything, we learned that yelling at the trade is the real secret. Just don't tell anyone. Don't go tell the other streams. They don't need to know that. So we got 10 more minutes. I will be right back. Again, I am break even if this turns around. Do not take a loss. It's Asian session. Take something. We've been sitting here for what, 3 hours? Take something. Don't put all your eggs in this one trade. Yeah, it is interesting, Evan. It is. It's interesting. It's new to me. It's way different than what I'm used to. But if it works, it works. You can't deny what works. So I'm gonna keep testing it, trying it. So far, so good. But yeah, I'll be right back. I have a sandwich waiting for me apparently. Surprise sandwich. So apparently, when you put a ring on it, they make you sandwiches. It's really weird. Oh, let's go. Look at, let's go, baby. I told you, Asian gives you that random burst of volume. Let's go, bitch. Let's go. Come on.
It was a sandwich. That's what it was.
It was like, yo, sandwich. Let's go. Let's go. Damn, my point 2 is up $200. Let's go. Come on, Asian session. I told you, Asian gets like a random, it just comes out of nowhere. It's like, you know what, we got really rough traffic. Let's just pump 80 pips real quick. If we can hit this, I think this would be a really good target. Anything past that is just extra. But I'm comfortable taking my runner here. Definitely be sure, if we hit this target, you guys better send Clay a message and say, took a trade on your strategy. We smashed TP. Yeah, that was beautiful. That was cool. Nice.
I thought you were about to say smash the like button.
Yeah, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We got a nice gold trade. Beautiful. Damn, that's nice. I like it. I like it. I really hope we get that pump though. I'm really hoping we get that like poof. It just prints it down here. It doesn't even show it falling. It just prints it down here. Damn, she keeps texting me. But yeah, no, apparently guys, if you put a ring on it, they make you sandwiches. I don't know, but you like sandwiches.
I like sandwiches. I had a sandwich today, man. I need to do that.
Bro, I just gave you the plug. You need to just put a ring on it, and you get motherfucking sandwiches.
You guess what kind of sandwich I had today, man?
What'd you have?
I had a torta.
Oh, what? English, please. English.
I had a torta, bro. That's a freaking
And tortuga?
It's a Mexican like sandwich. Yeah.
It sounds very good.
I have Mexican food over there, but I would recommend it.
Key dog, no. I traded the 15-minute this morning, and I literally got punched in the mouth twice. And then I won. But the one I won on was an hourly close. Who I lost on were 30-minute and 15-minute. And then this one was a 4-hour. Well, that was super cool to see. First time I did that on the 4-hour, so well, it played out for the first timer. But I've noticed the best success for me is on the 1-hour time frame. Gurjat kills it on the smaller time frame. I don't know, man. He's from Canada. You know how those Canadians get, bro. They do some freaky shit on the charts. So, I don't know, man. 4-hour, 1 hour might be my bread and butter. That's super cool though. I really hope this hits target. We got clean traffic, but this is a good support. So I think if we get under this wick here, we'll have a really good odds of getting down here. Oh, okay. Hold on, I know what to do. Sandwich. Sandwich. Sandwich.
You gotta go eat the sandwich, man.
I think if we can get under this wick though, we should hit this target down here. Pretty sensible. Again, like, subscribe. We don't get trades like this every session, so when we do, it's always a nice thing. Sometimes we don't get anything in Asian. But hopefully this new gold thing will give us some more opportunity, because honestly, without doing this, I would have never taken this whatsoever. It was just ranging, and we caught the breakout. So I will be right back. Hopefully, if this hits target, somebody scream so I can come back. And I'll be right back. Yo, yo, yo. Stream's ending soon, guys. But, again, if you're new here, liked it. I was entertaining. I thought I was pretty entertaining today, to be honest. Like, subscribe, come back tomorrow. If you didn't like it, press dislike. Subscribe and come back tomorrow. Hopefully, I'm going to leave my runner to go here. Hopefully we hit. I think it's got a good chance of hitting. If we reject and go up on break even, it doesn't matter. I won't lose anything. I already made money. And I will see you guys Tomorrow, I'm gonna leave this up here for a minute while I eat my sandwich. Yeah. Aper, no, I don't know if there is, but that would be a hell of an indicator. Nice job, Eddie. Very nice. Get the buy later. Yeah, there could be a buy later. I'm hoping we can hit this daily support, but this is a pretty solid support here, so it might have a bit of an issue. It might not. You never know. Like I said, Asian sometimes just goes out of nowhere and just plummets. So I'm hoping today it does that while we're in it, but who knows. I'm gonna eat this sandwich for a couple minutes. We'll kind of chill and watch this till then. The sandwich, amazing. Amazing. If you haven't had a good sandwich, go buy a ring, wipe them up, and then you get a sandwich. That's what I'm told happens. I don't know if it's true, but I got a sandwich. So, but yeah. Audio still up and down. Yeah, so I got my mic in a new spot, and I just gotta get used to coming to it to talk. I just gotta get used to coming to it to talk, and hopefully that'll make it better. I just upped the volume on it again. It just gets a little tiring yelling all the time, but yeah, I'll get that figured out. It was a good session. Thank you, thank you. It is turkey, peas, avocado, and I think something else, and bread. And then I got some chili as well.
Oh man, I don't know which funding program. I'm not sure which funding program I should go with, man.
What?
Not sure which funding program I should go with, man. I know it's like, I gotta weigh it out, because like it's only 50-50 profit split with the one I'm thinking about going with. And if I go with like someone like Funding Talent, then it's gonna be like well, if I do really well, then it's gonna be like a 90-10 profit split, which is like freaking amazing. Pretty much take home everything I make. So like that's really good. Yeah, I'm not sure what to do.
Alright, stream though. We gotta do it.
Hey Brandon.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, you. So I'm looking at this fivers that you showed us, and what I like about them, so if after you've doubled the account, if you then compare that to FTMO, you would be ahead. So even though you get 50%, at a double account, you would pull ahead of FTMO 70% after the first double up. That's on the $40,000, because 80,000 times 50% is more than 50,000 times 70%, and then thereafter you can double it again.
Yeah, that's a really good point.
So with the Fiverr guys, they start you off with a 40k account. That's the closest one I compared to the 50k account of FTMO, and they sort of almost cost the same as well. And then once you've doubled your Fiverr account from 40 to 80, you get 50% on an 80,000 account, where with FTMO you'll be getting 50%, 70% on a 50,000 account because they don't grow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it would be like a little bit like the trade-off would be with going with the Fiverr account would be, I mean, it'd be a little bit slower at the beginning, but once you really start picking up speed, then like it's just gonna grow exponentially.
Yeah. With FTMO, you also go through two periods of being tested, where it seems with the Fiverr guys it's just once.
Yeah, it's just once, and the time, like the time zone or whatever it is, the time limit is like 6 months, which is more than enough time.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking of giving these Fiverr guys a go. Thanks for showing them to us today. Yeah, thank you both. You facilitated it, Paul.
Yeah. I guess.
Yeah, you're welcome. I'm happy to share information with other traders.
All right, though, guys. Oh, my bad. I didn't mean to interrupt you. But
I'm all done.
Guys, I'm out of here. I'm gonna go attend to my fiance and my sandwich. I will see you guys tomorrow. Be sure to like, subscribe, and we'll be back tomorrow. Also, if you caught the trade, share it on Instagram. Tag me. My Instagram's on the bottom right. We'll kind of show off what we did and show that we had a nice day. We learned something and we had a good time. But yeah, if you want to share on Instagram, Instagram's on the bottom right. I appreciate that as well. And I will see you guys tomorrow.
See you. All right. Peace out, man. Have a good one. Oh, yeah. You see him? Oh, yeah. All right.